Hello everybody, I would like to show you my latest bloom on this miniature Phalaenopsis, which is called the Phalaenopsis Jiaho's Pink Girl. Okay, so this is quite a popular breed. It's the direct progeny of the Phalaenopsis schilleriana, which is quite popular because of its fragrance and also the pink blush and the nice spots on the lip and on the lower sepals, as you could see here, which it actually got it from its parent. So the scent and also the look of the plant is actually a little bit similar to schilleriana, just a bit smaller because of all the other species which are quite smaller compared to schilleriana. That's also in the genes of this plant here. And as you could see, there's a little bit of mottling left on this plant, just like its schilleriana parent. It's very vague though. It's not so obvious, but definitely it's there. There's a very faint mottling pattern on the leaves, just like the species. And as you could see here, I'm doing the pot with no holes again, so I don't have to water it a lot, because I'm very lazy at watering, as you would remember, and it works perfectly well for me. Just like with this guy here, there's a lot of roots going on, even though the pot doesn't have holes, and the roots just keep on growing, and also it keeps reblooming on the same spike. So that's nice, just like a regular Phalaenopsis species plant, just keeps on blooming. Okay, so you would remember also my latest acquisition. Okay, wait. There's like a hair here. Alright, there you go. And what I like about this guy is that the very vibrant color of the plant, almost iridescent, and also it's like the negative spotting, I guess, like a negative film spotting on the lower sepals, and also the lip, not really on the lip, on the the lateral sepals. And yeah, it's really nice, and it keeps on blooming again on the tip of this flower spike. So I'm quite happy with these guys here. So that's basically my my update on this one. I really like this one because it's also branching, and just like this one too, this rebloomed Phalaenopsis here, as you could see, it also branched out just like the other one, which is quite nice. So maybe it's much more interesting that way because of the branching, and I would like to see it evolve from there. And what else do we have here? Of course, this is still in bloom, so you would remember. So that's quite nice. So that's basically my miniature area within bloom. And then I have the swamp method bulbophyllum here, which I just dunk in water, full of water, and it just keeps on giving me new growths, as you can see there. New growths, 1, 2, as you could see there, and also a new one here, and there's like another one there at the middle. There, keeps on growing. So definitely the swamp method works for mounted plants that I currently have, and these are a lot more of my other some miniature orchids here, dendrobiums, walkerianas, neofinetias. Yep. Alright, so I'm gonna update you soon, guys, with the new time-lapse video, this time with the neofinetia. So better watch out for that. And again, stay tuned and happy growing to all my orchid loving friends. Bye bye.